So today, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process for finding the area of a circle. First, let's talk about the difference between the circumference of a circle and the area of a circle. The circumference is going to be the same thing as the perimeter. So if you were to find a large circle outside and you walked around that circle, the circumference would be the distance that you walked. The area of a circle would be represented by the shaded area within the circle. Area is the amount of space occupied by a flat shape or surface of an object. Area is the space inside a two-dimensional shape. So now that you understand the difference between the circumference of a circle and the area of a circle, let's chat about some important terms you need to know. First is the diameter. The diameter of a circle is a straight line that goes from side to side and runs through the center of a circle. Radius. It is a line that goes from the center of the circle to an outer edge. The radius is always half the diameter. And then there's pi. This is a number that is used to describe the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Without going into too much detail, if you were to take the line of a diameter and wrap it around the circumference of a circle, it would take you approximately 3.14 lengths of that diameter to go completely around the circle. The number pi itself extends out for an infinite number of digits, but for the video today, we're going to use 3.14 as our approximate number for pi. So now that we have those out of the way, let's talk about the formula for finding the area of a circle. Pi times r squared. Let's take the first example of this circle with the following measurements. This circle has a diameter of 12 meters and a radius of 6 meters. First, we look at our formula and we put down 3.14 times r squared. We know the radius is 6 meters, so 6 squared would be 36 meters squared. We now multiply 3.14 times 36, and we come up with 113.04 meters squared. Easy enough, right? Next example, find the area of a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters. We know we start with pi, 3.14, and we're going to multiply it by the radius squared. We don't have the radius stated here, but we know the radius is half the diameter, so the radius would be 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters squared would be 25 centimeters squared. 3.14 times 25 centimeters squared equals 78.5 centimeters squared. Hopefully that was easy to follow. Be sure to check out my practice problems video where you can pause the video and work through some examples yourself. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more math tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.